so today we're going to be shifting around all the vehicles. We want to get our Passat out of the garage for now. We're going to move it to our storage bay, the new storage garage for VAGZ. And then also we're going to get our T5 Caravelle off the hoist bay. There's a bit of work that needs to be done there. We need to put in the old brace quickly so that we can get steering on the vehicle to move it around. And then we're going to bring in our T5 transporter over here to start getting ready to fit the engine. We've got some extra hands here today. We've got Jawad on the right and we've got Walid that will be helping us to push the cars around. What I did before or earlier today, that's not shown on the camera, we cleaned up the engine bay of the transporter. You can see it's looking really good. Also the subframe is cleaned up. There's a lot of rust showing in the areas, so we'll get this sprayed up and covered nicely. But we've got a few challenges as well. We got a flat wheel on the Passat that we need to sort out, and also on the transporter. So we're going to just quickly pump up the tires and then start moving the cars around. Okay, let's get this tire quickly pumped up. So it's really flat. It's gonna take some time, eh? It's on. Okay, I think this is gonna take some time. Let's leave it to pump up. We can already go check maybe on the T5 quickly what to prep on the Caravelle T5 to get the steering fitted. We're gonna need to move this brace here quickly. Let's get this brace out. We take this one out. Okay. So the problem is we got no steering on this car. And a seat, we have to put a seat in. Okay, MS, can you check if you can switch on that light for us? It might get dark in here, so let's get that light on. And then we're gonna need that brace to come in here. Just prep this quickly. Oh, that's great. Okay, so we got that out. Let's get this side out. Bring the brace for me. The old brace, not the new one, eh?
Right. Okay.
So we got to get the brace fitted. And then we can get the steering column fitted back quickly, and then we can get the steering fitted on that steering column.
It's 3 bars, yeah.
Are we sitting on 3 bars?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, then we go do the Passat's front tire quickly. Okay, so while that's going, we can get the steering column fitted on the T5 again. I think the steering is on a lock mode. Let's try and quickly unlock it. Let's see. There we go. Okay, we got the steering on. I think the T5 is ready to at least maneuver left and right, so we can use that. How's our Passat tire? How's that looking?
It's pumped up, yeah.
Okay, so the Passat tire is pumped up. I think then we're ready. So we're gonna start moving. We'll first get the transporter out, move to the back. Let's go do that quick. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Check the arms on the other side. All good?
All good.
Okay, and then Walid gave us a good idea. So we'll just move the vehicle like this. We're not going to put the whole seat in and all that. That's a long story. So we'll try and drive it like a standing and driving. Okay, let's get the door open. I think Zulfa can steer that seat. That's the transporter for us. So let her take the driver's seat. Let's get in. I think here on this side we got some wires laying down here. Let's quickly shift the wires. There we go. Tires are looking good.
You can put it back.
Coming right? Okay, how's the space? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. There we go. Handbrake down.
Handbrake down.
Okay. Then I need 3 kilowatts here in the front. One,
Okay.
2, 3. Yeah, you can also come push on the front, right? You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. So don't go too fast, okay? Because when we get over the hill that side, we need to slow down. Let's go. Okay. Now we're gonna take out the Passat. Let's get the Passat out. So this car's got no brakes. Don't press the brakes or anything, right? Just the steering. Okay, bonnet close. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
3 kilowatt again. Let's go. You're half a V6. 3 cylinders. Slowly. Straighten out. Other way, other way. Straight, 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 straight. How's it on that side?
Still far.
Okay, let's go. Ready?
Okay, I have no mirror on that side. You have to tell me, right?
How's it on that side? Wait, hold on, hold on. We must come forward first.
Drop the mirror, please.
Yeah, drop the mirror. Just turn it down. There we go. Okay, let's go forward. Bring it this way, ne? Yeah, sharp. Let's go. This bus, even if there's no engine, it's still got weight. Huh? Right? Ready? Keep it like that. Swing the other way. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Straighten out. Tap. There we go. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're gonna go in on that side, remember. I think the bus got brakes still, eh? It's got brakes. I don't know if you can press the brakes.
I can press it.
Let's see if we can press the brakes. Can you press the brakes? Okay, that's cool. It's fine. You guys ready? To the right. Right. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Start turning. Let's go. Slowly. Oh, slowly, slowly, slowly. Let's see how it looks in the front. Okay, can you turn more? Got it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come. Sharp. Hoist bay is ready for 35. That's good. Shots. Okay, let's get to the to the transporter. Oh no, wait, we have to get the Passat out still. Let's get the Passat out.
You would have.
Slow, 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 slow.
Oh, we have to. Yay! Because of that. Push, push, push.
Slowly.
Slow.
Slow, 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 slow.
Nobody.
Go, 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 go.
Oh.
And that's what's up.
Okay.
Okay.
Well done, guys. We at least managed, eh?
Okay, let's go.
So we got happy, we thought we're done with the Passat. We forgot that we still got the transporter to go back on the hoist bay. So let's quickly do that. I don't know if this one's got brakes, so let's check.
You can come in the middle. Handbrake.
I just need to check quickly the size with this loading body. How's it there? On that side there. We got space in it, so I can swing more this way.
Yes.
Okay, because there's no mirror, I can't see on that side. Okay, I'm gonna swing it first full and then we go.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so mission accomplished. We managed to move all our vehicles around. As you can see on that side there, we got the Passat in our new storage garage over there. So that's parked off on that side. We got our T5 on this side of the garage and the transporter that's ready for the engine fitment on the hoist bay. So yeah, I think it was quite a challenge to get all the cars moved around. We all lack a tire now. So yeah, I think that brings us to the end of this episode. Please remember to
Like, subscribe.
Share it with your friends.
and we'll see you in our next one.